Now, developer tools can also be a really great help to you during the code test refine routine. You're able to test things on the fly and see how it affects your page without actually changing the HTML and CSS files. So for example, with the header 1 here, I can easily change the font size to make it bigger or smaller. I can change the font family, say to Arial. I can also change the background colors of things. So for example, say I might not have the hexadecimal color from the designer, but I just want to use this slider and find something that looks pretty close. You can also click over to the Sources tab and see the code in the same place. And then also remember that you can reset any changes by just clicking the refresh button. So go ahead and play around a bit with DevTools and see what you can change, and then let me know. Just how cool is it to play with DevTools? Let me know on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being a total snooze fest, and 10 being totally awesome. Personally, I hope you choose 10.